Welcome to lesson number 12 of A Single Reed Learner's Guide to the Bassoon. Today we're going to be talking about the 3 or 4 right thumb keys that you have. My bassoon is a student line bassoon and it only has 3 thumb keys. I will talk about if your bassoon has a 4th key, what that would work for. Mine just has 3. So the easiest right thumb key to remember is this big circle one in the middle. That's called the pancake key or the E key. One thing to note about the E key or the pancake key, it also works to close your whisper keypad way up here. So you can use your whisper key thumb in your left hand or your E key in your right hand. So because of that, as you're working through the bassoon, starting on that F in the staff, working down lower and lower and going around, once you add this pancake thumb key, most of the fingerings below that do not even need the whisper key thumb. Your whisper key thumb, which has been used for almost every note we've talked about so far, finally gets a break when you get down to the E and lower. Above that E key, we have a B flat key or A sharp, same note, different name. So as we were going through our fingerings, we know that 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 gives us an A. Adding this top thumb key to the A gives us a B flat. Below this pancake key is our F sharp thumb key. So you will remember that we have an F sharp up here in our outside top right pinky. The alternate is this F sharp here with our thumb. So to use that one, you need whisper key thumb, 1, 2, 3 in your left hand, 1, 2, 3 in your right hand. You can either do right pinky outside F sharp or right thumb F sharp, but you do need these 1, 2, 3 here. The same goes for our E with the pancake key. You need 1, 2, 3, because remember, no thumb if we're using our E pancake. 1, 2, 3, F pinky right here with our right pinky, and then the pancake key. If you have a 4th thumb key, it will be below that F sharp key right there. That would be used for a G sharp or an A flat, same note, different name. And that would be the alternate for this bottom right pinky. So this is G sharp A flat here. If you had another thumb key down there, that would also be G sharp A flat. You don't use them together, again, they're alternates. F sharp thumb, F sharp pinky, E and B flat. One fun way to remember these different thumb keys and what order they go in is starting from the bottom. Remember fried, eggs, and bacon. I think this goes well because we're already talking about pancakes with the E key. Together, they're fried eggs and bacon, F sharp, E, and B flat with our right thumb keys. Take a look at the fingering chart that's provided and explore which different notes and fingerings use these right thumb keys. Our assignment for lesson number 12 is go ahead and do the thumb ID activity. Fill out that worksheet and turn it in to your teacher. Continue on to lesson number 13 to finally learn about that E flat so that you can play through all 10 songs at the beginning of your Essential Elements book. See you for lesson 13.